Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. Trace a picture to get the vector image, then change to the G-code file is a time-consuming work, especially the image file is very large. How to easily and effectively trace the picture is the topic I will talk about today. I will tell you a simple and effective way to do the job. Stick around. Let's start. The method is normally used in the scientific industry field a long time ago. It is called sampling analysis for quality control, or sometimes called quality control and sampling, etc. Usually, it will take samples from a large number of goods and analyze these samples. Use these samples' quality to represent the whole goods. It will choose the sample randomly. Now, if we use this method to do the image tracing, we will also select an area to represent the whole image, or at least a large area quality. So, we will not select it randomly, but select a typical place that can represent the whole area. For example, we want to trace this blueprint Klingon bird of prey. You can download it from a great site maintained by Gerard Gallium. Open it with Illustrator. It mainly contains text and image. We select a place that includes these two items. For example, this area. Use the rectangle tool to make a square area. Select the image first, then select the square box together. Then right-click the mouse and select Make a Clipping Mask, or from Object menu, Clipping Mask, Make. Now, only this small area left. We can use this as a sample area to do the tracing image job. To find the optimized parameter, change them to image using rasterize. Use high resolution. Then, trace the image. Use the advanced option. Select the line art and adjust the parameters. Find the optimized parameters. Then, click this small icon to save the parameter preset. Now, open the whole picture again. Trace the image using the advanced option. Select the preset that we just optimized. Click Expand to finish the image tracing. Now, we have got the whole vector image. Copy them to a preset area that fit your 3D printer. Adjust the size, then export the G-code file. If everything is okay, then you are lucky. Unfortunately, Illustrator works not always as I expected. In the large area, the sample preset models doesn't work very well. I don't know if it is a bug or not. Now, I use another method. I use Photoshop to divide the original image into several equal parts. For example, 3 times 2 parts. Copy every part to Illustrator and do image tracing using the advanced mode. Most of the area can directly use the preset parameters. Some, you must adjust the parameters later to get a better result, one by one. Now, every part are finished with image tracing. Then, this time, everything should be okay. Scale the whole image to fit your 3D printer. Export the G-code. Sometimes, this process is also having trouble since the image is too large. We separate this image into several parts just as we trace the image process. Add an alignment square to fit all images. Then export every image to the G-code file one by one. Finally, combine them together. and adjust the G-code file with Notepad++. check the G-code file with laser web. It looks good. Printed O. It looks very nice. If you haven't seen the video here, please do me a favor. Click the subscribe button and the small bell. Then you will not miss my update. TubeBuilder channel is waiting for you.